Okay. Our producer is putting our dancing skills to the test with this homemade dancing die. Wherever it lands, we have to say the origin and do the dance. You want to go first? Of course you do. Salsa. So you have to say the origin and do the dance.
Salsa is South America.
So if him don't get it, me can say it?
No.
Don't put it up. We have to do it first. If we don't get it, then you put it up right now.
We don't see it already.
But it's Cuba. Yeah.
How is salsa?
Salsa. You remember what the people them come this?
Vietnam?
You know over salsa?
No, but you're not going to show me?
Oh, well, you have to... Okay. So you step forward with your left foot.
Yeah.
And then together.
Yeah.
And then with the other foot.
Oh,
so
come forward with it? All right,
no, back.
go back.
So
right.
forward with this one. Right. And then we can break now. That's it. Yeah, you know it. You know what him doing.
See,
okay,
yeah.
we're going to do that.
All right, come.
No. You now let me do that.
Come.
No, you're not
that
putting
one.
Come.
Wait, no.
All right, my time. Pick up that.
That wicked. So salsa is from Cuba, by the way.
It's Cuba.
Don't put it up so quick. Make we try work it out.
Jesus.
I've never heard of a
I've never heard of that before in my life.
A zanto is a dance?
Is it Venezuelan?
I've never heard of a zanto.
What is it?
All right, put it up
now.
because we don't know it.
We don't know
when we know it, we
put
don't
it
put it up. And when we don't know it, we don't know
what is it?
Ghana.
Can we see it?
Oh, never heard of a zanto.
Oh, wow. Okay, my Johnny.
So show it.
All my ladies.
But that look almost like my dance.
It is your dance. So
my dance.
You know where your dance came from.
I did not hear. It's the first I hear of Azanto. Jody, you heard of Azanto?
You know the word? You knew the word? We'll get that already. Fling him.
Ballet. Ballet would come from somewhere in Europe. I don't know. Where you
Europe
think?
big. So, where you say? England or Italy? France?
Or is it an English dance?
I
could leave it with you. Well, I leave it with
English,
you.
English. Well, that was it. That was it. Voila. What did I say? I was right! Ah!
Well, I was right, you know.
You know why?
Italy is not Europe.
Right, you were right. But you know why I said Italy? Because opera. Wait, me can't get up. Why?
More music? More ballet thing?
What, we do it again? Fling him. Oh, my time.
Oh, do this again or the dance?
No, fling
The dance. They said the dance. Come.
Okay, now. Do the bow thing.
Do what? No, come up on your toes.
I'm on heels. I can't.
Come up on your toes.
My foot hurt me.
Next one. What we don't get? We don't get tango,
disco,
waltz.
Get that already. Trilling. Disco. Burn, baby, burn. American.
May I agree with America?
American. It's American, right? Okay. Boom, 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 dum, 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 dum. We're waiting. Dum, 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 dum. We said it's American. Is it American? The disco's American. All right.
Hispanic and African American.
What?
African American communities. Yeah, so it's America.
Oh, it's it across the United States of America. You're right. We're right.
Hispanic.
My mommy teach me this dance. She say it named the planet.
You can do that for morning TV. What that? What that? What you doing?
I'm dancing disco.
Dance, we're supposed to dance.
I just did it.
We dance again, come.
Can I throw it now?
No, this is a dance, we're dancing.
You just duck like two.
It drop on walls. I know where walls is from.
Where? Tell us.
Vienna,
Ooh.
in Austria.
Ooh, I
Yeah,
didn't know that.
I read that.
So you're right.
See that?
Yeah, man,
Vienna.
you're right.
Yeah, I read that. So
Okay, let's go.
I never so bright. When
You ready for the music?
walls up the thing.
Take time with me.
How we going? I know so. I saw walls go. What you do? You're supposed to be following me.
Oh, sorry.
Wait. Go so.
And so,
so.
waltz have a 1, 2, 3 count, don't it? It's a it's fast. Anyway, we can't do that.
Why we can't do walls?
Me can't do that.
Because you're not following me. Just follow me. Run the track and follow me. And when I let you go,
No.
you drop.
I drop. You hear that? Him said when him let me go. Thank you, Marvin. Marvin said don't do it. Marvin said don't do it. I trust Marvin to say don't do it.
All right.
It done, right?
That sounds like Godfather or something.
Is it?
Come no, man. No, follow me. This is yours problem. Follow me. Wait. Sure. Don't. You see, I'm ready.
Some of us follow him.
Yeah, but you're not following me. Come, you ready? Something.
These are the most boring waltz never seen in my life. Wait. But tell us how we shouldn't do it and you think a joke so you got damage your back.
We have one lead. Tango.
Tango
is South
Latina, so
America.
it's from...
Tango is South America, no?
Okay, I was going to say Argentina.
Spain.
Spain, okay.
South America.
We're not so
Well,
bad.
it says Spain and Morocco.
Oh, wait. We have a picture where I was doing some tango something with you, right? See that?
What is tango? What tango?
Yeah, man, it's Nevlan in back problem.
We feel I try to take out something out of my pocket.
You have money?
Aye, of course I have money.
Here.
Come the man,
Of
come the
course
man. How it go? No, that is your problem. You want to lead.
I'm not, I'm just getting...
Turn, sir. Turn, sir. Are you ready?
Yeah. You see, but you... Which... Hey! Who don't come to them? Come take me on my stage and...
I'll go home, I'll go home. You know, people, I don't know what else to do. She can't dance. Empress Camille, as pregnant as you are, come back. You're a big dancer. What is that?
My weapon. This is my safety.
You're such a dumb spot.
I think we're finished. Guys, dress better to feel better. We've got the men covered after the break.
I am very covered.
We'll be right back.
Come now, we don't do that. Put down the stick now.
All right. What would you... See, I'm not doing nothing.
Me no know. What is this? What is this, by the way? What is this hour?
See, this is what happens when
This
we
is what?
follow the men. We do nothing.
This is the what? We'll go straight through this. You ready? You ready? Yeah, go fast. Ready? Come.